Let's take a look. Should I jump to a couple of my favorites, or should I start by showing just some, pretending like I don't know which ones are good? CNY, we've been short on this one as well. Been out here, like actually though. This symbol right here is a US derivative. It tracks Chinese Yuan 1-to-1. Basically, there's no leverage, there's no inverse. As you can see, it's literally the same chart. Peak here, peak here, peak here, peak here, boom. And we were pointing out that it was breaking below that weekly 20 right here, you see, very clear. It's kind of mid, so we have been tracking that one. We have been winning over there as well. We win everywhere. But that being said, currently, this one's middle of the range, and we're very uninterested. Does that make sense? Descending price channel, decreasing over time. We have the resistance, support, resistance, touching resistance, going down, currently descending, RSI pointing down. Not necessarily touched the support yet. This is the monthly. I'll show you the weekly real quick. Here's the weekly. Again, you get the even more direct comparison. Breaking through that weekly 20. It actually just broke down below that weekly 180. A little bit of contention there, but it did most certainly go through it. You know, this is where people start to cower in fear and like start to question everything they've ever known, and if they're going to be all right, but you know, stick to your plans.